listed on the page here at the front. You can incorporate things like achievement. Yeah, achievement you can incorporate that that gets related into your members profile. Yeah, you can have feature threads and basically leaderboards, and basically all this is extended upon BuddyPress. So there's actually no limit to what BuddyPress can do. If you think about it, that it gives you this platform that lets you create it into totally something that's different than a blogging system. This is basically a game. This is basically an online gaming site. This is another one that is called RadioRock'n'Ride.com. It's a biker site that basically it's basically RadioRock'n'Ride.com. It's a biker site where people who like biking goes into the community and post stuff that they like. They post about story stuff they ride. They post about videos. They post about rides they're going to take. Like there are rides in this festival they're going to take. So when you click onto the festival, you find more information. So you can see more and more information now related to geo. Yeah. So it's becoming a trend now that you want to show something on geo. You want to show something on the geolocation platform. For example, yeah, this is a host that basically changes his slot into stories. Yeah, changes into stories. Basically, you don't want to say ride.com/post, because post doesn't mean anything to them. You want to say, well, you want to change it to something related to them. Change it to stories. Change it to rides. Change it to festivals. So these are the things that you need to consider when you create sites for communities, for niche communities. You want to create sites that meet their expectations and they feel comfortable to use. Another thing about BuddyPress is that most WordPress plugin works most. Yeah. If not, just with a little bit of tweaking, tagging. And these are a few of the cool plugins that I would recommend and use. These group documents basically gives you document management control. You can imagine that this BuddyPress site, you want to customize it into, for example, a Office intranet. Yeah? You want to customize it in the Office intranet that has this document management system where you can share documents between colleagues, you can share documents between those members, those users in the community. FaceStream, TweetStream, I think this is quite straightforward. This is basically providing a two-way synchronization between Facebook, Twitter. BP albums, this is basically more towards photos sharing. Basically, it's like, for example, you want to build something like Flickr for your site. So this is basically a very good plugin that you can actually just install and activate. It gives you that ability to create something like Flickr. Events. Previously, I think in version 1.0, I think events was part of BuddyPress and got taken out. But it is still available as a plugin. So events, I think, is most useful here in terms of community. If let's say you're not running on BuddyPress, of course, you might want to organize an event using a post or page. Yeah. So in BuddyPress, you have the ability to use this events feature and tie it into your social networking. So you want to create an event for this particular group. You want to create an event for this friend of yours that you can invite them. So basically, without BuddyPress, all this is not easy to do on just a simple and basic WordPress install. Ratings for posts, forum posts. Geolocation, like I said, this is a very interesting plugin that Automatic just released. works on WordPress, it works on BuddyPress. I think with a little tweak. It basically, like I said, create a map underneath your post. When you post anything, you can actually relate it to a location on the map. And what's best of all, it's actually its ability to communicate with your mobile devices. So, for example, Facebook, WordPress for iPhone, WordPress for BlackBerry. Those applications have the ability to interact with this plugin. So basically, this is again, we see that trend is going towards how do I put more geo-relevant data associated with posts. BD Members Map is another plugin that associates geolocation with a particular user. Okay. Now, I talked about a lot about geotagging, geolocation. It's becoming the hottest news buzz, social buzz, because of Foursquare, because of Koala. Now, there's nothing more relevant than geo-relevant data. If not, if you post a picture, it will be more interesting to find out where this picture is taken from. So that geo-relevant data puts another whole new dimension on whatever information we put on there on your website. So with that in mind, actually, we wanted to show a bit of what we did with this idea, with the idea of using geolocation, social networking. I'd like to show you this. This is one of the projects from BuddyPress. It's actually a community-driven geotagging map solution that actually runs on Google Maps. If I may, okay, this is running on the demo site with dummy data. This is the main page. So when you go into the site, basically you see the whole world in the view, and you see what's going on. For example, this yellow map here, I think. Who is this? So you can see here the maps are all tagged with the flags. Those flags are just a bit slow here, so. So those flags, when you click on it, it gives you the information about what happened in that location. So imagine what can you do with this site where you are event organizer. You're organizing an event worldwide, for example, WordCamp worldwide. You will have tags all over the place, which actually is the whole site. And you can this whole thing is built on top of BuddyPress, yeah? So anything that BuddyPress has, for example, groups, topics, posts, pages, blogs, everything is geotagged. Just need a bit more internet speed, but one more thing that I want to show. This is the Foursquare integration that we did recently with the most latest version of Gmaps. You can see that the possibilities is basically endless here, where there's more and more geo-relevant services that you can pull into this system. Now this system is provided on a GPL basis, so basically when you have this, you can use it, you can customize it whatever way you want. So for example, if let's say you want to integrate Koala instead of Foursquare, what you do is you use this, you can change this basically to capture Koala information. And what we did here for this Foursquare feature is that, for example, I can see all my friends here. These are all my friends